What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best sewing machines in 2023. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So whether you're looking for a small sewing machine for basic projects or a top-tier model with excellent stitch quality, I'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products I mention, and I will try to keep updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. First up, some people might be looking for a cost-effective sewing machine that's easy to use, well-made, and can consistently deliver solid performance. The Brother XM2701 is my choice as the best sewing machine for the money in 2023. The Brother XM2701 is a quality sewing machine that comes with a compact build, intuitive controls, and a surprisingly amount of built-in stitch options to tackle various projects and fabrics for a reasonable price. It has a lightweight, compact design that won't take up much desk space, and it only weighs around 12.6 pounds, so it's easy to store when not in use. I like that it has a useful bobbin drawer, which allows you to stay organized and store your accessories, such as the included 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, twin needle, and 4 bobbins. Even more, it offers intuitive dial-based controls that are suitable for first-time or inexperienced users, along with a built-in LED light that increases visibility while you work. Brother also offers a top-tier 25-year warranty and free lifetime phone support to guarantee long-term satisfaction. Despite the affordable price, it comes with a surprising range of features, including an automatic needle threader for ease of use, a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, automatic bobbin winding, and a thread cutter to finish the job. You get 27 types of distinct stitches, which includes blind hems, zigzags, stretch stitches, a straight stitch function, and an auto-size buttonhole to tackle various projects. It performs well with most light fabrics, such as fleece or cotton, but anyone working with dense materials like denim would likely be better off with a higher-end model like the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 I'll mention later. The Brother XM2701 is a more affordable alternative to higher-end models that comes with a solid range of accessories, consistent performance with various stitching options, and several user-friendly features that can help you complete your projects quickly. If you don't want to spend too much but still want a sewing machine that can consistently deliver quality stitches, this is an excellent choice. Next up, I have a sewing machine with intuitive controls to hone your skills, several useful included accessories, and consistent performance with smaller tasks. The Singer Start 1304 is my choice as the best sewing machine for beginners in 2023. Not everyone needs a high-end sewing machine with advanced sewing performances, and the Singer Start 1304 is an affordable alternative that offers intuitive dial-based controls, compact design, and enough stitch options to learn the basics. It has a surprisingly sturdy metal frame that won't take up too much desk space, and it only weighs around 10 pounds, so you can easily move it around or put it away as needed. It has intuitive dial-based controls that allow you to select your desired stitch type, which makes it a great option for beginners or kids to learn the ropes on. And it offers great threading with included diagrams to ease the setup process. You also get 3 interchangeable presser feet for different needs, including an all-purpose foot, a zipper foot, and a buttonhole foot, along with a pack of needles, a darning plate, and more. It offers 57 stitch applications and 6 built-in stitch types, including straight, zigzag, satin, scallop, blind hem, and a 4-step buttonhole. However, anyone who wants more options might prefer a more advanced model like the Singer 7258 Stylist I'll mention shortly. It offers an impressive maximum speed of 350 to 400 stitches per minute to tackle shorter jobs, but it's somewhat prone to jamming. You also get an automatic bobbin winding system, adjustable tension settings, a removable free arm to sew circular items, dual spool pins for sewing with twin needles, and several additional useful features for the price. The Singer Start 1304 is an affordable no-frills model. It comes with a surprising amount of built-in features to take on various sewing projects. Solid all-around sewing performance and user-friendly controls with preset stitch widths and lengths to help you gain experience. This is an ideal choice if you want an affordable but effective sewing machine that's easy to use and can tackle basic projects. Next, most people might be looking for a sewing machine that's easy to use, easy to set up, and offers ample stitch selections for various projects. The Singer 7258 Stylist checks these boxes. It's my choice as the best sewing machine for most people in 2023. Singer has several quality offerings to choose from, and their Singer 7258 Stylist comes with intuitive controls, the ability to automatically optimize stitch settings, and a range of stitch types, which makes it ideal for almost any user. It has a heavy-duty metal frame that measures around 18 by 10.5 by 15 inches and weighs about 20 pounds. It also has an integrated carrying handle to remain portable, has an LCD display with physical buttons underneath that allow you to toggle through these stitch options or adjust settings, a diagram underneath for greater ease of use, and physical buttons to start, stop, adjust the needle position, and more. You also get 10 presser feet for greater versatility, multiple bobbins, extra needles, a seam ripper, a built-in LED light to illuminate the sewing surface, and several additional accessories. Despite being a computerized sewing machine, it's easy to use and automatically selects the ideal stitch length and width. Or you can adjust these settings manually, which makes it suitable for beginners and more advanced users. You get 100 different stitch options, including 6 types of one-step buttonholes, 76 decorative stitches, 9 basic stitches, and 8 stretch stitches to take on a wide range of sewing projects or crafts. Though it can be a bit noisy when in use, it also comes with an automatic needle threader, a 6-segment feeding system, horizontal threading, built-in reverse, self-adjusting tension, top drop-in bobbins, and more. The Singer 7258 is a great all-around sewing machine that comes with a variety of useful accessories to get you started. Impressive stitch quality for the price and intuitive computerized stitch selection. If you don't need a top-tier machine but still want a capable sewing machine that's suitable for almost any requirement, this is an excellent choice to consider. If you're looking for the sewing machine that offers the best combination, build quality, stitch selection, and all-around sewing performance, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is my choice, the best overall sewing machine in 2023. With its comprehensive selection of stitching options, expandable work surface, heavy-duty build, and outstanding speeds, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is an excellent option for heavy-duty tasks or serious seamstresses. It has a heavy-duty metal frame that's built to last and helps keep the mechanisms aligned to maintain quality stitching performance over time. It has a large full-color LCD touchscreen display that provides an intuitive way to change stitches, adjust the sewing speed, and view important stitch functions like the length, width, tension settings, current needle position, and more. It also has a built-in extension table that provides a larger working area for bigger projects like blankets or curtains, but you can't use the quilting bar with a walking foot. You also get various accessories, including 18 presser feet, extra bobbins, needles, a lint brush, a seam ripper, and more, as well as an accessory drawer for storage. It delivers top-tier sewing performance and comes with several useful features, including an automatic needle threader, an autopilot function to stay productive, an automatic reverse stitching. It's a powerful sewing machine that can deliver an outstanding 850 stitches per minute to complete projects faster. In contrast to cheaper models like the previously mentioned Singer Start 1304, it comes with 600 built-in stitching options, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, 5 alphanumeric font scripts, 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes, and more. It also offers a range of advanced functions, including mirror imaging and stitch elongation depending on your needs. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a high-quality sewing machine that's designed for heavy-duty tasks, and it comes with a sturdy build, plenty of stitching options, an automatic thread cutter, and consistently high-end stitch quality. This is an excellent choice if you want a top-tier sewing machine with ample stitch options, great performance, and rapid sewing speeds. Finally, I have a premium sewing machine that offers several advanced stitching options and rapid sewing speeds to power through large projects without sacrificing performance. The Bernette B77 sewing machine is a great high-end choice for heavy-duty projects. The Bernette B77 sewing machine is a powerful option that's designed for advanced or experienced sewers, and it offers intuitive touch-based controls, a dual fabric feed to maintain quality with layered projects, and the ability to create your own stitches. It has a heavy-duty build that should be able to withstand heavy-duty use over time, but it's relatively heavy at around 32 pounds, and the electrical components only have a 2-year warranty, which is much shorter than most competitors. It features a 5-inch full-color touchscreen display to control the stitching options or adjust settings to your preference, along with intuitive dials to change the stitch length and width. In addition, has a dual feed system that helps prevent fabric slippage when sewing with multiple layers and helps prevent puckering with thinner fabrics. It has a comprehensive range of advanced features, including a thread cutter for top and bottom threads, automatic tie-off, a semi-automatic needle threader, and programmable foot control with back kick function. It offers 500 different stitches, including an outstanding 17 buttonhole options, 133 decorative stitches, and 35 quilting stitches, which makes it ideal for everything from making a quilt to cosplay. It in addition has a unique stitch creator function that allows you to create your own custom stitches, along with a sewing advisor with useful feedback. It's also faster than other high-end models like the Singer Quantum Stylist, with a maximum 1,000 stitch per minute speed. The Bernette B77 sewing machine is an advanced computerized model that comes with outstanding stitching speeds, a deep throat to handle bulkier projects, and a comprehensive range of stitching options that are appropriate for almost any sewing task. If you're an experienced user and want a high-quality sewing machine that can handle just about anything, this is the perfect choice for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.